Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Statesman newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 21, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. Fifth row, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come the cells, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third grid, under 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have pair numbers 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. Second row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Sixth grid, we have 5. 8th row and 10th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. 6th grid, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. 4th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 6th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9, it will come in on the 2 cells. 9th grid, we already have 9. Also, third grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Second row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column H, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, and 7 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 10th row, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Third row, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. And 4th row, we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column B, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Second grid, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 9. It will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. First grid, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 8. It will come in one of the 3 cells, we will confirm later. Eighth row, then column D, we have pair numbers 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column B, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 8th row and 10th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 10th row, column C, we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. 7th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 8, column F. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 8, column F, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. 7th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 6. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 9, 4 and 7. 6th row, we have 2, 9, 4. The 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 6th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8 and 9. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, then 9 is confirmed here. And 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column G, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 5th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column G, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column G, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 2. Column G, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.